This voice is taken from an article with the title, How Do I Identify and Trade with the Rising Wedge Pattern?, which has been published on TRADERTALKSNET. The rising wedge pattern is a technical analysis pattern that can be used to identify potential bearish reversals in the forex market. It is a chart pattern that consists of two converging trendlines that form a wedge shape. The pattern starts out as an uptrend, but as the two trendlines converge, the price movement slows down and the trend starts to reverse. To identify a rising wedge pattern, traders must look for two converging trendlines that form a wedge shape. The two trendlines should be formed by connecting at least 4 consecutive lower highs and higher lows. The lower highs and higher lows should form a pattern that slopes upward. If the trend lines converge in a downward direction, then this is a bearish pattern and a potential sell signal. Traders must also pay attention to the volume of the asset when trading a rising wedge pattern. If the volume is decreasing while the pattern is forming, then it may be a sign of an impending reversal. Once a rising wedge pattern has been identified, it is important to determine the entry and exit points. Traders should enter a short position at the break of the lower trend line and place a stop-loss order above the upper trend line. The target profit should be set at the SAM distance as the entry point to the lower trend line. When trading a rising wedge pattern, it is important to remember that the pattern is most reliable when the trend lines are steep. If the trendlines are flat, then there is a greater possibility for false breakouts. Traders should also pay attention to the volume and look for decreasing volume as the pattern develops. The rising wedge pattern can be a powerful tool for identifying potential bearish reversals in the forex market. While there is no guarantee of success, traders who can identify the pattern and use it in their trading can potentially benefit from the reversal in price. It is important for traders to pay attention to the volume and look for decreasing volume as the pattern develops to increase the reliability of the reversal.